In the classic personal finance book, The Millionaire Next Door, The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, a groundbreaking perspective on wealth and the people who accumulate it is presented. Contrary to the flamboyant millionaire stereotype portrayed in media, many millionaires live quite modestly. The book is based on a comprehensive study of millionaires in the United States and reveals that the truly wealthy might be living right next door, driving an unassuming car and wearing simple clothes. Outlined in the book are 7 common traits that are consistently present among those who successfully build wealth. These traits provide a blueprint for anyone seeking to achieve financial success. Let's dive into these characteristics. They live well below their means. This trait is foundational. Many millionaires are characterized by their frugality and ability to resist the urge to spend lavishly. This doesn't mean they're miserly, but they prioritize financial security over displaying high social status. By maintaining a modest lifestyle, they can allocate more funds towards savings and investments, enabling the power of compound interest to work in their favor. They allocate their time, energy, and money. Efficiently time and money management are crucial skills for accumulating wealth. Millionaires often set clear goals and plan their financial future. They budget, monitor their investments, and continually educate themselves about financial matters. Many of the wealthy spend a significant amount of time planning for future investments and other financial activities, which plays a key role in their ability to grow their wealth. They believe that financial independence is more important than displaying high social status. The millionaire next door isn't typically the person with the latest luxury car or the massive mansion. Instead, they might drive a reliable, older model vehicle and live in a middle-class neighborhood. This is because they place a higher value on financial independence and security than on material possessions or social standing. They understand that buying items to impress others can be a significant barrier to building wealth. Their parents did not provide economic outpatient care. Economic outpatient care, EOC, is a term used in the book to describe the substantial financial gifts and bailouts some parents provide to their adult children. The authors found that individuals who receive EOC tend to accumulate less wealth than those who do not because they develop a dependency on these handouts and often live above their means. On the other hand, many self-made millionaires have learned the value of money and hard work because they didn't rely on financial help from their parents. Their adult children are economically self-sufficient. Building on the previous point, the millionaire next door often ensures that their children become financially independent. By instilling values of hard work, perseverance, and financial responsibility, they ensure that the next generation is also poised for success without relying on inheritance or handouts. They are proficient in targeting market opportunities. Many self-made millionaires are business owners or professionals who excel in niches. They often possess an uncanny ability to identify gaps in the market or have specialized skills that they monetize effectively. By capitalizing on these unique opportunities and combining them with diligent work and perseverance, they maximize their earnings potential. They chose the right occupation. It's a misconception that all millionaires are top executives in Fortune 500 companies. Many millionaires come from professions or businesses that might seem ordinary. What's important is that they're passionate about their work, they're good at what they do, and they manage their finances wisely. This combination allows them to accumulate wealth over time, even if they aren't earning exorbitant salaries. The Millionaire Next Door shatters the traditional notion of the flashy millionaire and introduces readers to the concept of the unassuming, frugal, and diligent individual who quietly amasses wealth. The 7 traits highlight the importance of living below one's means, making informed financial decisions, and prioritizing long-term financial security over short-term pleasures. Anyone seeking to build wealth can take a leaf from this book, recognizing that becoming a millionaire is less about the glitz and glamour and more about consistency, discipline, and smart financial habits. Understanding the underlying principles. While The Millionaire Next Door provides a list of 7 traits common among the wealthy, it's essential to recognize the deeper principles at play. Delayed gratification, central to many of the listed traits, is the principle of delayed gratification. Whether it's driving a decade-old car instead of the latest model or choosing to live in a modest nay,